everyone, it's Macy, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my basic stage makeup.
Things have changed for me, and that's okay. I feel the same. I'm on my way, and I say...
Just a disclaimer, this is how I do my makeup. So like it might not be for you, or if you're new to theater and you want to see how to do basic stage makeup, or just like, you know, see to how some other people do it, then this video is for you. So for all of the shows that I was in, I did my own makeup. So these are the shows that I wore basic stage makeup in: 21 Chump Street, Cinderella, Partners in Crime, Much Ado About Nothing, and On the Town. Alright, let's get this. There you have it, everyone. That's how I do my basic stage makeup. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And if you want to see more of my face, please feel free to subscribe, and all my social media will be linked down below. If you like this video, please leave a like. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye!